Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by the brand GGMM, and pretty much what this is a portable like power bank thing for your Amazon speaker. The one that's right here for, I believe this is their third generation. I believe this is the third generation Amazon Echo Dot. So it only fits this one, so if you guys don't have this one, then this product is not ideal for you guys. But let's open up the product itself to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so when we first open the product itself, this is what is provided inside. So I think it's only just the product itself and a little instruction card inside. Alright, so this is what the product looks like, you guys can see. So all we have to do is just really plug in this part to the back part right here. So you guys can see just like that. Make sure it's lined up correctly and then plug it in all the way. And there's all set. You guys can see from the back part, this is where to plug in the cable for the Amazon Echo Dot itself. They won't provide you guys the cable to plug in, so you guys want to use that cable. And then the front side right here, you can see that there's a button right here to activate the product. So I believe all you have to do is press it down and it turns on just like that. You guys can see, so it's on now. And it lights up. So basically what it is a portable power bank for the Amazon Echo Dot itself, so you guys don't have to like keep it at one place. You just have to make sure that this product itself is fully charged before you guys move it to where you guys want to. So that's definitely a cool option to have. And also show you guys where the battery life is for the product itself right here. So it's full right now, but if it's not full, you guys need to charge it. So it looks like the product and everything is all set up, so let's give it a try and see when it actually works. Alexa, how are you today?
Doing good, am I?
Alright, so it does work. So it's really cool product overall, very simple and everything. All you guys really have to do is just make sure the product is plugged in and charged before using this product, because if it's not fully charged, then you guys can't use it portable anywhere you guys want to. And also before I forget, let me show you the bottom part. You guys can see it has a logo right there and the little anti-skid materials on the bottom to help it from slipping, so that's pretty cool as well. But definitely the product itself is super cool if you guys want to make it more portable for your Amazon Echo Dot device. Alright, so here we have the product right here and we have the cable for the Amazon Echo Dot. So all we have to do is just plug in this part right here in the back side. So just plug in like that. And you can see that it's charging now. And then if you guys are wondering if it has like all the protection for like the device itself, like the overcharge, over voltage, overheat protection, and so on, this product has all of that built into the product itself, so you guys don't have to worry about that. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think this is actually really worth it if you guys want and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make it more portable for your Amazon Echo Dot, like how I mentioned earlier. So that way you can bring this space anywhere you guys want to. So like a different room, different location, wherever you guys want to, you guys definitely can. As long as you guys can still connect the product onto like the internet or whatever, then you guys are fine. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have